With our easy-to-navigate interface, finding the parts you need is a breeze. Shop over 15,000 car wash parts with just a few clicks. Place your order by 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and we'll ensure your parts are shipped the same day. Experience the fastest parts delivery coast to coast. Explore top-notch features like an easy account setup, shopping by brand or category, and great customization options. And you can always utilize advanced keyword search and enjoy personalized support with our live chat. Effortlessly keep track of your orders, view your order status, use order messaging for inquiries, and receive timely order status and shipping notification emails. Manage your account seamlessly. Create an account for personalized customization, centralize it with multiple ship-to locations, create shopping carts, view invoices, and customize payment methods. Enjoy an easy shopping experience. Browse by product category or brand. Explore top product highlights. Check out the most frequently purchased section. Use the Buy Again feature and save your shopping cart and list for future use. Let us help you find the right parts with our product recommendations tailored just for you. At Sonny's, our goal is simple: to provide you with the right parts at the right price when you need them. If you have any questions or need assistance with your order, feel free to call our friendly customer service at 1-800-327-8723. Sonny's Direct, your trusted partner for all your car wash parts. Visit sonnysdirect.com/shop today.